Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Robinhood account number. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. I recently created my account in this Robinhood app, so it is still under the verification process. So in order to find your account number, make sure that your Robinhood account is already verified. Only after that you can be able to view your account number. So if you have a verified account, you need to come in this home interface. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Once you're in your profile page, you can see the three lines icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. Now that you're in the menu page, you can tap on this settings option. Here you can see account details and options section. If you have a verified account, here you will be able to see the account information option. You can simply tap on it and there you will find your account number along with other account details. So that's it. That's how you can easily find your Robinhood account number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.